Hi, I'm Kathy Benitez.
Hi, I'm Rebecca Page Huron Pagrigan.
Hi, my name is Alexandra Ang.
Hi, I'm Ryan Nicumano Hago.
Hi, I'm architect Ella Margarita Zabaile.
I am Aurora Duday Mandanas Gaston.
For me, luxury is time to enjoy the best things that life can offer.
Luxury is having that sense of convenience and comfort all throughout your day.
Well, before this interior styling class, my definition of luxury is just expensive. That's it. But now that I've finished this interior styling class, my definition of luxury is elegance, high quality forever items.
So luxury for me is in interior design is not just about filling a space with expensive furnitures and lavish decorations. So instead, it's about creating an environment that reflects the unique taste and lifestyle of the inhabitants.
When I think about luxury, I think about comfort. I think about something that you cannot easily attain, something that's elegant at the same time, something that's aesthetically pleasing but very functional. It does not sacrifice workmanship, craftsmanship, design when it comes to interiors.
Luxury personally for me is where I am right now because I have the luxury of time. I have the luxury of having great family to support me. I have luxury of friends. So it's more than the price itself. I guess you can enjoy luxury after a long period of hard work where you are able to already confidently say that you have been successful and you've established yourself.